Wow, accounting is very easy. I improve my knowledge towards my job.
I like Mr. Gopalan training because the process is relaxing. Accounting for beginner is helpful for my future career plan.
Very detailed and helpful.
I like Mr. Gopalan's training because the way he conduct class helped me get more understanding about the modules, and also accounting for beginners helped me get a clear picture about accounting.
I like Mr. Gopalan sir because of his teaching methods. It's easy for me to understand. Accounting for beginner is helpful for my future career. I'm glad that I haven't chosen the best field of studies. Thank you everyone.
After attending the accounting class by Mr. Gopalan, now I understand more about accounting concept and my work become more easier.
Mr. Gopalan's training I really like because it's very in detail explanation. Accounting for beginners helped me to get on track with my accounting knowledge. Thank you.
Confining and confident, wisdom, connected and self-focus.
Really helped me to learn new methods. Mr. Gopalan is a really very good teacher, a good training, and I have a good benefit on this course. Thank you.